We understand that our alarms not only need to protect your home, they also need to fit in with your busy lifestyle. That's why our traditional alarms have just got smarter. Introducing Sync. It's quick, easy to install, and conveniently wireless. Leave every part of your home safe and secure with a 200-meter range. Your home is in your hand. Receive notifications on the go. Forgetting to set your alarm is no longer a worry. Sync fits into your lifestyle, allowing you to part-arm, so there's no need to worry about your furry friends creating false alarms. If the worst was to happen and your alarm is triggered, you'll receive an instant alert. We've also partnered with Philips Hue to provide a visual deterrent for would-be intruders, combining security and simplicity. Sync Alarm also works with Amazon Alexa, combining lights, sound and voice to keep your family safe and secure day and night. Home alarms just got smarter.